Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. Today I'm going to show you how to redeem a Roblox gift card on Amazon. First, choose your preferred browser and type in amazon.com. Make sure your account is already logged in and type in Roblox gift card. And there's tons of options. Choose your preferred item. I choose this. Then go add to cart and press the cart button on the top right corner. In order to purchase the item, press the proceed to check out. And after you check out your Roblox gift card, you're going to get the code and then you're going to go to your preferred browser again and go to roblox.com/redeem and log in your account. Now that your account is logged in, you're going to go ahead and redeem the code here. And then after that, you're going to go press redeem. And there you have successfully redeemed a Roblox gift card from Amazon. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.